welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Joy and welcome to what I wore this week. This week's vibe is realistic outfits for a very real life 8 to 5, because as much as I love fashion, I am also a real cute but tired college lecturer, and I'm just trying to be cute without losing my mind. Anyway, it is also Handmade May, and I'm trying to sneak in pieces that I have made myself. I know that my closet is like 80% pieces I've made myself, but May I strive to wear something I have made every single day so that I can incorporate almost everything that I have made and not leave anyone out, because we all have favorites, okay? Anyway, I want every outfit I wear to feel a little bit more like me and have a touch of me in it. So let's play dress up a real life edition. So Monday was giving, okay, you're really tired, you do not want to do this, you do not want to start this week because you know how tiring it's about to be, but you do not want to look like that. At the end of the day, we do not want to look like our problems, okay? So I decided to brighten up my day with a little bit of color. I wore this really cute pants. I love these pants so much, and you also do over on my TikTok, because every video I have with those pants, you'll love it. I love this pants so much, and I wore this really cute wrap top that I made, not from scratch though. It is a whole series where it's a video with like 5 thrift flips where I flipped 5 button shirts into really cute tops. Can you believe this was a button down? I can't, because it's a masterpiece. Yeah, I wore that, and because the weather was acting up here and there, I didn't know what to expect. I decided to put on this black trench coat, and yeah, I took it off a couple for the better part of the day, but it was at the start of the day and at the end of the day, so it's part of the outfit. And I wore my everyday bag. This is my everyday bag. You're going to see it a lot, and you're about to see it a lot if you stick on this channel for a couple of times. Yeah, and I wore some skin, should I call them skin, crocodile skin open heels. I know y'all are usually so controversial with wearing open heels to work, but those are my favorites, and that's what I'm gonna wear. So I wore these really cute open heels that have like a bone heel. It makes a lot of noise, but I don't care. I have to announce I'm here, okay? Anyway, I love this outfit. I rate these outfits 1 to 10, and let me know which one will be your favorite in the comment section, because I still have my favorite. Let's wait and see, okay? Tuesday was not that much, because at the end of the day, it's Tuesday. I usually feel like Tuesday has nothing going on. Tuesday is just there to be. Anyway, Tuesday was not much. Like, I usually feel Tuesday is just for me, it's not a day that I like to play dress up. Tuesday is not a day I like to dress that good, if you've noticed from my Instagram. Yeah, anyway, I decided on a monochromatic outfit. I know you're asking, what is monochromatic about this? Can't you see everything has green? Anyway, I'm sorry for shouting. On Tuesday, I loved these trousers. I made them myself. It was a 3-piece suit. I have a top and a jacket out of it. I've gotten more wear out of these trousers than any other piece I made in that whole collection and everything, but I love them so much. And the top, the mock neck, the feet, I love it so much. Again, I didn't know what was happening. The weather is everywhere right now. It's raining, it's sunny, it's cloudy. So I carried the same trench coat that I had on the previous day, on Monday, and it looked amazing. I love this outfit so much, and I paired this entire outfit with some cream sling bag so that it can match the whole cream in the pants. And I carried my everyday bag as usual. So yeah, I love that fit so much. It was not my favorite, but I love that fit so much. Let's move on to Wednesday. Wednesday, we wear pink. We wear pink. Whether it's, I have to have an element of pink. I need to feel so feminine on Wednesday. Okay? Don't blame me. So I wore this beautiful pink pants that I thrifted. It is thrifted. I know it doesn't look like it. And on top, I wore this beautiful bustier top. I know I don't look like I'm going to work, but I am. I have to look cute. I wore this cute bustier top that I made. It was a top and a skirt to make it look like a dress. It is a it's a recreation of an Alexander McQueen dress that I found. I loved it so much. I recreated it and I still love it so much. And because again, I do not look like someone who is going to an office, I decided to cover all that beauty up with this beautiful trench coat that I made. It is patchworked. It is from jeans. I made this from jeans. Can you believe it? Can you? No, because it's spectacular. Anyway, I love this trench coat, and it was a little bit warm that day, and this trench coat weighs like me. So I decided to take that off and wore a lab coat because I had so many practicals on that day, and it still made sense. I looked cute. I looked like a sexy doctor, and I don't mind. Okay? Yeah. For shoes, I wore these open shoes, really pretty. They're white. They have like buckle details at the front, and it's a wedge kind of style. I think they're supposed to be called sandals. No idea, but I love them. They made the outfit come together, especially with my white toes. I love it so much. I don't know why, but I still do love it. Yeah, especially since I hated the fact that this corset poked me in all the wrong places. Like some boning channel opened up and the boning came off, and it was poking me in my armpit, and I just hated that. But I got through the day. I got through till like 6 p.m. and I came back and I took it off. But I love the outfit. Nonetheless, I love the outfit. Thursday, I decided to bring out the girls and color. Okay, I know you're wondering, is this how you dress for work? Yes, that's how I dress for work, and I'm going for work. Yeah. Anyway, on Thursday, I decided to bring in a pop of color. I wore this beautiful v-neck sweater. It's thrifted. If my closet is not thrifted, it's me made. And that's what I love about it. So I thrifted this like back in 2023, and I still love it. I wear it to date. It looks so amazing. The fit, I love it so much. I can wear the v-neck at the front and at the back to get that beautiful bot neckline at the front, but today I decided to wear it like v-neck. And then I paired it with this beautiful cream pants. They're not white, they're cream. Okay, they're so pretty. I made this back in 2023. I cannot believe that I have made a trouser and worn it for like 2 years straight. I love this. I love this trouser so much. I love the fit. I love how baggy it is. I love the pleats at the back. I love the pleats at the front. Chef's-kiss. And for the shoes, I wore these black kitten heel open sandals. If I say sandals, should I say open? Anyway, I wore these kitten-heeled sandals. They're really cute. I love them so much. Oh, my mama got them from me. Thanks. Anyway, I love these shoes so much, and the outfit in general looked so cute. Now this is how I wore it for the better part of the day, but because it's the morning when I go to work and evening when I get off work, it's cold. I carried the same trench coat that I have been wearing. At this point, you can call it my everyday trench coat. And my everyday bag, and this fit killed it. Killed it. Now let's move on to Friday. On Friday, we were already feeling the weekend coming. I'm hanging on by a thread. I'm trying to end the week cute, but yeah, it was a casual kind of day. So I started off with whatever I wanted to wear on this day was these boots. And now I had to create an outfit around that. And I have like 3 pairs of jeans. So one is dirty, so the other one is really baggy and it doesn't fit the whole shoes vibe. So these are the jeans I settled on. Yes, I'm saying settled on. They're not my favorites. And then I settled on this beautiful sweater. It's a cute sweater. I love the fact that it's not just a normal sweater with like a turtleneck and just normal sleeves. It has these really huge sleeves. The shoulders are dropped. It fits perfectly. The turtleneck is really huge. So as you can see, I have folded it in and then up again, and it looks amazing. And the star of the show, the boots! I know, it looks so amazing. It looks so amazing. And you're wondering, what is the me-made element in this? It is the bag. Since I was going for a casual vibe, I decided to wear a casual bag. So I went with this beautiful tote bag that I made from scrap fabrics. I know, it is so cute to be a scrap fabric, right? And yeah, that is what I wore. I feel like this outfit was so cute. And I feel like it was fit for Friday. And I know that if you incorporate, if you have an 8 to 5, it is hard for you to transition your work outfits into like casual outfits or weekend outfits. And I think I have become an expert in that, let alone this. This is purely casual. But if you want me to talk about how I transition my work outfits into weekend outfits or casual outfits, let me know and I'm gonna do the video for you. Yeah, and that's a wrap on my work outfits this week. Honestly, it is in the little things, how the outfits makes you feel, what vibe you want to drive with this outfit, how you want to be perceived with this outfit, and that is what you're supposed to build your outfit around, and not the outfit build it for you. So yeah, if you're doing me made, hi. If you do not know what me made is, I know it because I'm a sewist and I do have a sewing channel that you should check out. Please, I link it up here and right here and in the description box and in the comments. I really want you to check it out. Okay, yeah, it is a really cute movement that people have started, whereby they get to commit for a month on what they want to do regarding their sewing journey and all that. Before I bore you with details that you're not interested in, hopefully you have subscribed. If not, go ahead and subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. I hope to see you.